Greetings. Welcome to Lesson 3, Self-Assessment, Question 1. In this question, they asked us to determine the equation of the line between the points 4, 3, and 12, -3. Write your answer in slope-intercept form, f of x equals mx plus b. Okay, so this is a two-step process. Our first step in this is going to be able to go find our slope. So we know that m is given by the glorious equation y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So we're going to come over here and let's label this one x1, let's label this one y1, let's label this one x2, and let's label this one y2. So that tells us that our slope is going to be equal to -3 subtract 3 divided by 12 subtract 4, which once we do that, we're going to get a -6 in the numerator, and then the denominator, we're going to get 12 minus 4, which is going to give us a +8. So if we simplify that fraction, we're going to get a -3/4 for our slope. Okay? All right, great. Now that we've got that, we need to go figure out what b is equal to. So what is our y value of the y-intercept equal to? Well, there's a couple of different ways that we can go about doing that, but the suggested way from the textbook is to come in and say, well, take advantage of your pal, y equals mx plus b, plug in one of the ordered pairs. I'm going to go with this one because it's the easier of the two. Plug in the slope that we just found down here, and then the resulting value that will be left will be b. In other words, we know that b is going to be equal to y minus mx. Okay? All right, so let's go ahead and do that. So b is equal to, let's see, I'm going to use the 3 up there, minus my m, which was -3/4, times my x, which just conveniently happens to be 4. And now when I do this arithmetic here, I'm going to get 3. Well, the 4s are going to cancel each other out and become a 1, so that's going to be +3, which ends up giving me back a 6 for b. So make sure you understand the arithmetic there. What I simply did is I just went in and canceled off these 4s, made those both 1s, and that gets me a negative with a positive, and we get the 6. Okay, great. So we're ready to give our glorious answer. They wanted it in function notation. So that's f of x is equal to -3/4 x plus 6. That's a huge skill. Make sure you remember how to do that. That's going to come in useful not only in this class, but in other courses that you will take in the sciences and the social sciences.